Anyways, here we are, build weekend over at Scott's house. Got a list of shit to do. Oh, look at that.
So if it works good, then we'll stack it and then paint the edges, and then we'll start cutting some more support beams, get those color labeled, and then get those stowed. And then after that, we'll build the crow's nest, we'll build the tower, and the crow's nest is the lighting and sound area. The tower is the DJ stand.
So for today we have to build the second story, double the size of this, you know, install the floor, the safety railings, and then we have to take it all apart, you know, make a map for it, take it all apart and pack it in the truck. It's gonna be a heck of a day.
We should get everything else done first and then do the third, yeah?
No, I don't know. I think it's good.
This corrugated tin is for the facade of the camp. Check it out. Second coat of paint on the stage is drying, so we're about to build stairs. All right, just finished cutting all the supports for the stairs for the stage. Yay. We've pulled up all the decking for the stage to paint the ends and the sides of it to keep it from getting moopy. But right now what we have to do is make some more cross supports for underneath the stage. So we're cutting those now out of 2x4s. And now we're disassembling the stage, stacking it up over there for all the workers that are here to carry out. All the workers seem to be these two.
Okay, so right now we are building the second piece of this entryway. So that's what we're building over there right now.
This is the entryway, or the eagle's nest above, which is going to be the sound and lighting station above the entrance.
Up there.
Good stuff. Good shit.
So what's the next step? We have to lift this to put it up there?
No, we're actually going to take that center one. Oh. Shit. It's because I said so. That's the name of that hammer.
We installed these steel cross members here. They are heavy AF. Then we put the 2x4s going across this way, and now we're putting the decking on top. What is the name of this?
The crow's nest. Just need one more piece of USB.
Finished putting the crow's nest together. We built the second tower and we put the flooring in. At least we rough floored it in. So now I'm out here. I'm making stencils for the box. This one gonna say stage supports.
So fabulous. Heineken for builders.
And the build weekend continues. We are now in Home Depot buying more 2x4s.
This is the crow's nest. This is where the DJ sound equipment and lighting equipment would be. We're building like a little bench, padded bench there, and then possibly a covered canopy. Don't know yet.
My name is Woogie. How you guys doing? This is for Lip Balm. This is Bernie Man. This is what I built today. I got the bottom edge pretty straight. The top edge I had to cut with this. This is a Sawzall, and the Sawzall blade wasn't the best, but I did what I could, and I tried, and that's what I accomplished so far at my very first build for Bernie Man. Thank you guys. This is me, and this is my shame. Thank you.
Abel,
Yeah.
show us your fucked up finger. Come bring it closer. What the hell happened, man?
Lewis, I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck. That's what happened.
He bled for you. Do you understand? We're building everything. It's gonna be fucking beautiful. It's gonna be horrifying, but it's gonna be fucking beautiful.
You'll see it. Yeah, there he is. Hey, how about some nachos?
Okay, so let's get this thing out of there. So, take that strap off there.
You should put that on first.
Yeah.
Put your strap on.
Yeah.
You can still keep it loose.
Are we OSHA compliant?
These are the supervisors.
Safety captain.
We're gonna probably paint it.
It's like day 3 of the build. We have finished the DJ booth. We assembled it, dry fit it, took it apart, and took down all the scaffolding already. Loaded most of the stuff into the truck. And we have just about cleared this yard out. The only thing left here is this entryway that I'm standing under.
No one got hurt today. No fingers got fucking cut off. No knees got scraped.
Winner, winner.
We hauled a bunch of heavy shit into Colossus.
What did you build this
What
week?
did we build? The DJ nest, dude. It all came together. It's got a trap door.
The trap
No
door.
trap music, only trap doors. It's rule number 1 in the DJ booth. Is that right? It's rule number 1.